Ian, what sound does a pig make?
Mommy,
Good job.
I fell down on the floor.
I'll pick it up right now. It's okay. Khaliq, what sound does a snake make? Ian, what sound does a dog make? Khaliq, what sound does a cockatiel make?
La 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 la.
Ian, what sound does a lion make? Oh, it's so scary. Khaliq, what sound does
Cobra.
a cobra make?
Ian, what sound does a cockatiel make?
No, mommy did it already.
Okay, Ian, what sound does a horse make? Khaliq, what sound does a duck make?
Quack, 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 quack.
Ian, what sound does a cow make? Whoa! Khaliq, what? I'm gonna give you a hard animal. What sound does a orca make? Ew, the splashing. Good job. You did know. What sound does a baby make? Good job.
My turn.
What sound does a boy make?
Mommy, Daddy.
What sound does a car make? Good job.
What sound does a piano make?
No, what sound does a crocodile make?
Khaliq, what sound does a crocodile make? Oi. What sound does a gorilla make?
Tell me what sound a Godzilla makes.
Khaliq, what sound does Godzilla make?
Gang
Ooh.
and Kong.
What sound does Kong make? Whoa, Ian, what sound does a bear make? Oh, you're so cute, my love.
Kai, what sound does a face hugger make? Wow.
Ian,
Mom, tell me what sound does a xenomorph make?
hold on, it's Ian's turn and then your turn, okay? What sound does what sound does the donkey make?
Mommy, me two turns.
What sound does a xenomorph make? Oi! Oi! What sound does Miss Evelyn make? Onta, bebe. What sound does Miss Gloria make? Onta, bebe.
Mommy, tell me what sound the gibbon makes.
Oh, Kai, what sound does the gibbon make? Oh, wow, I thought we had a gibbon in the light. It sounded like a
Ian,
gibbon.
what sound does Remy make?
Me.
Ian, what sound does a monkey make? Good job.
My turn. Let me think what he can tell me.
Okay, I love you both.
Love you.
I love you.
Ian, I love you.
Sound